Alright, trade recap from today. Break even day. We basically have been dumping all morning. Um, just looking like we're filling this like massive imbalance right now. Um, we opened and we just kind of like we swept out these lows, swept out these hourly lows, or almost swept out these hourly lows, and now we're just kind of chopping. I ended up taking a trade off this. We retraced up here, broke structure back to the downside on the 1 minute. Um, Tapped this fair value gap. I went short. Stops were above this high. Then we came down, and I ended up once we came down, came back up, and when we came down again, I moved my stop to above the fair value gap. And then we came up, tapped the fair value gap again, but then we ended up coming lower. We came up below this low, and when we did that, I moved my stop to break even, and then we got stopped out right here on this candle. So I was just trying to play the shorts today, since literally every time frame is bearish. We've literally just been chugging down. We're now starting to get a little retrace. So yeah, that was a trade. Break even for the day. We'll see what we get tomorrow. Alright, well, we're back with a dub. I ended up closing this a little early for like a 1 to 3. Still big dub. So originally, yeah, you saw I ended up taking shorts right here, targeting this low, but we got stopped at break even. We ended up coming out, sweeping out these 1 minute highs, filling in this big 5 minute fair value gap. Also probably on the 15 minute, yeah, we filled this entire 15 minute fair value gap. And which made me still so bearish is because we have these hourly lows that it just looks like we're drawing, like we have this massive imbalance that we filled a little. This is an hourly low. It looks like we're pushing to get below this. So I was still super bearish. Once we see price, come up, we break structure to the downside on the 1 minute. Oh, look, I closed early, but bro, look at that. That would have been a 1 to 5. So what do we see? Tap into this 1 minute for value gap. I go short here. Stops above the candle that created the fair value gap, which is right here. We're still targeting these lows, right? So boom, short ski off that, and it was just a simple ride to the downside. Once we came down here, once we came under these lows, I ended up just closing, because one, that was enough for me. I had made enough profit, I was satisfied with that. And then two was I didn't like the way price was starting to move. You see these big wicks, these big hammer looking candles. I just wasn't liking the way price was moving, so I closed early. So one break even trade, one dub. So that was good. I only risked 0.5% on this. Maybe even a little less, like 0.2%, or 0.3%. So good trade. Yeah, I think tomorrow will be good to trade too, unless there's any news. I haven't looked. But yeah, pretty nice trade for today.